I'm Sophie, from Sophie Speaks at WHSK. I'm here with my dad, and we're going to be discussing his social media habits and his daily use for it. Do you want to say anything about yourself?
Um, so yeah, my name is Rob. I'm 61 years old. I have two daughters. Sophie is my younger. My older one is 23. Um, and I have always been somewhat resistant to social media. Although as a function of my job, I'm a vice president of a company that manages high-end residential properties in Manhattan. I do have to stay in touch with things. Um, and I have not used LinkedIn, although it's probably something that I should be doing professionally.
Yeah, so the
Um,
first question is what apps do you use? If you don't use LinkedIn, what do you use?
I do use Instagram almost exclusively. We have things professionally. We have like a citizen app. I can't really consider that social media, but it's a method of communication amongst members of my team, as well as getting updates on any particular events or issues that may be arising in Manhattan, such as, you know, a protest that's going to be in the area near one of my buildings or things of that. So I do use the app. I don't know that it's necessarily social
I feel
media,
like
although
that's not though. So it's really only Instagram.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
How often do you use it? Like per day?
Well, it's interesting actually because I used to only use it really to track, lacrosse, and things that Nicole had going on. I've started watching the threads a lot more.
Like the reels, yeah. You send them to
The
me.
reels. But I also have to say that in the last 3 months, I've seen it change, even in that shorter period of time where it used to be fun to watch, and now I'm realizing a lot of it is AI,
Yeah.
and clearly it's not credible. So that's losing its flavor with me a little bit too.
Like what does your feed look like? Like I feel like it's a lot of dogs because of our dog. What
A
else do
lot
you
of
see?
dogs. Believe it or not, a lot of like police interactions and things of that nature. Yeah, and that's mostly it, and a lot of lacrosse.
And then do you enjoy using social media? Do you not like it? Like,
I was enjoying it a lot more until the proliferation in the last couple of weeks of the AI, because
mhm.
it looked a little bit more real. I like the anonymity of it, which I never did before. But again, it's really me just reacting to what other people are doing, during some downtime and boredom. So it's
Yeah,
not
so it's like
really.
more like checking updates rather than like scrolling.
Yeah, I don't. It's very little. It's mostly non-participatory.
Yeah. Okay. And then like in like the next like year even, like what do you think it's gonna look like?
Um, I don't know. I have really very little interest in looking more at that.
Yeah. I just feel like it's
Personally,
become such a big part of like what like even like it's like people's jobs now. So I feel like it's just gonna grow. Like, do you agree?
I do, but I think it really needs to be a little bit more. I don't know if the word is focused. Um, I'll give you an example. Right now, you're going through the All In. Okay. I was a little frustrated last night when I was looking at the results and things because within my circle of influence, if I was an aggressive user of social media, I would have been able to blast something out to a much larger group. Well, I might
Yeah.
not have just because of the way that I personally am with asking people for things.
Yeah.
But the point is that
But like if you had a bigger presence, you think you could have like gotten more
made a
donations.
difference. Absolutely. I think that it does expand everybody's circle of influence, for lack of a better word.
Okay. Cool. All right. That's it. Thanks for your time.
Thank you and good